Kung naghahanap kayo ng mic na may magandang background noise suppression, this is probably the mic na hinahanap ninyo. Ano ba yung mic na yun na pinag-uusapan natin? Well, this mic, this is the Nearstream podcast microphone. Ito yung box niya. And if you wanna be specific about yung model number, ang model number niyan is AWAM10B or pwede ring AM10B lang. Full disclosure pala, itong mic na to, pinadala sa atin to ng Nearstream mismo. Pero as always, kahit na may pinapadala sa ating product, we still give our honest opinion about it based dun sa mga tests and review na ginawa natin. Let's talk about yung mic itself. So, yung number one feature nito is that this is a beam-forming mic. And together with the AI na denoise na meron daw tong mic na to, those two together should help you get a clear capture of your voice, no? And mas mababawasan niya yung background noise. Now, having said that, may three polar patterns tong mic na to. There's a button here that you can change the polar patterns. So, yung polar pattern na isa is yung cardioid, which is yung malakas yung harapan. Then, you have the figure 8. So, malakas dito sa harap and malakas din sa likod, mahina sa gilid. So, kung gusto nyo makapture yung sound ng nasa likod, pwede yan. Lalo na let's say, nag-vlog kayo and kasama rin kayo dun sa audio. Kayo, let's say, yung kumukuha ng camera and gusto nyo makapture yung boses nung nasa camera, nasa harapan, and kayo rin, as kumukuha, gusto nyo marinig yung boss nyo, you can do that. And also, may ini-interview kayo, andito sa harapan kayo, and then nasa bandang likuran ng mic na to, yung interview nyo, you can also capture their voice or yung sound na nanggagaling dun sa likod ng mic. Then lastly is the omnidirectional pattern kung saan lahat ng sound around maka-capture ng mic na to. Then also there's a mute and unmute button, physical button. So just in case gusto nyo mag-mute, press that and then press it again, you can unmute. Then doon sa likod, no, meron din siyang mic out na makikita kayo para yan dito kasi you can use this device sa camera ninyo using this 3.5 to 3.5 mm TRS cable na kasama rin sa box. So this mic is compatible kahit sa mga cameras ninyo. Then also of course this USB-C na jack na may kasama ring USB-C cable sa box kasi pwede nyo rin tong gamitin sa mga computers ninyo, mga pa-Mac pa yan or Windows, and also sa mga devices, yung mobile devices ninyo. Pwede ito sa iPhone na naka-USB-C na yung mga jack, and also sa mga Android devices na USB-C na rin. And also sa iPad, kung yung iPad nyo is USB-C na, as long as USB-C or there's a way for you na magkaroon ng adapter kung ano man yung port ninyo na maging USB-C, you can use this mic. So there's a lot of device compatibility itong mic na to. And yeah, before I forget to mention as well, meron pala tong battery. So 2,600 milliampere hours yung size, if I'm not mistaken. I've never had a situation na low bat ako, so I don't think battery life is gonna be a problem. But of course, kung meron kayong long shoot, just make sure, or matagal nyo itong gagamitin, just make sure na you just have it fully charged. And of course, kung nakasaksak to sa computer ninyo, that's not gonna be a problem kasi may USB-C ng nagpa-power din sa kanya via that USB-C cable. So, now that we're also here, I'm just gonna mention kung ano pa yung kasama sa box. Nabanggit ko na yung 3.5 mm TRS, yung USB-C, yung mic itself, and this windshield as well is kasama doon sa box. So, ayan, pwede nyo tong tanggalin and you should be able to see this here sa ibabaw. Actually, andito yung mics niya, 8 MEMS na mic, and they are all working together for that mas maganda yung maging mas maganda yung pag-capture niya ng voice nyo and mas mahina yung background noise. Of course, inside the box then may kasama na rin yung warranty card, as you can see, and yung manual na yan. And nga pala, bago makalimutan, meron din siyang kasamang ball joint na may nakascrew na din, or meron na rin kasamang mount, no? Itong mount na to na gagamitin nyo para sa mga cameras ninyo. So they go together, they can go together like this, and there you have it, no? And so as you can see as well, yung parang connector nitong mic na to sa mga mount is yung parang sa yan, yung screw thread na yan. So not your traditional na mic stand as well. Kaya itong gamit natin ngayon parang tripod siya actually na ini-screw natin tong mic natin sa kanya. So, yeah, that's all about this mic. Now, let's do some sound test. Ang gagawin natin ngayon medyo kakaiba. So, magre-record tayo ng video at the same time na ang gamit nating mic is yung mic nitong tinetest natin ngayon, which is yung Nearstream Podcast microphone and also yung mic ng iPhone 15 Pro natin itself. So, it's the same video but with two mics. And i-compare lang natin kung ano yung sound na nakaka-capture nito versus nito sa ganitong klaseng room. So, at the same time, this should tell us, let's just say, kung yung bang iPhone mic will be enough or actually, mas maganda na ginagamitan nyo ng mga external microphone, yung iPhone mic itself, right? So, anyway, this is right now, ang ipaparinig ko sa inyo is yung naka-capture ng iPhone 15 Pro natin. Ito yung sound na yon. And lipat tayo dun sa kabila. Ito naman ngayon yung sound na naririnig ninyo coming out of the Nearstream Podcast microphone. Now, let's do some proximity test. So, right now, malapit tayo pa sa parehong mic. So, ito yung sound. Pagka mga around siguro 2 inches away lang tayo dun sa mic. Then, layo tayo onte. So, this is around 1 foot away from the mic. So, ito yung sound. And then, ito is around 3 feet away doon sa microphone. And obviously, we're trying to keep yung ating volume, no? Yung volume ng ating boses na pareho sa test na to. And then lastly, this is maybe around 5 feet away, no, sa mic na test natin. So, there you go. Those are the sound proximity tests, no? Then we move on to our keyboard test. So, right now, try muna natin sa ating mechanical keyboard. Yung ipaparinig ko muna sa inyong sound is yung ating iPhone 15 Pro na mic. Ngayon naman, itry nyo to dito. Try natin dito sa kabilang mic. Alright, so tinutok na natin yan. Nilapit na natin yan dito. Pero obviously, yung keyboard natin is nakalagay naman sa desk. So, gagawin din natin yan. So, ayan. Ito muna yung papalag ko sa inyo is yung naka-capture ng iPhone 15 Pro na mic. And then, ito naman yung sa Nearstream na mic. Alright, so there you go. Anong sa tingin yung mas okay sa dalawa na yan pagdating sa test na yan? And lastly, gawa tayo ng electric fan test. So, kunyari may electric fan na nakatutok sa inyo. So, gito yung magiging sound yan. Tutok natin muna dito. Yan. Yan. So, may ugong siya. May hangin pa. So, yan yung nakaka-capture. Let's just say, talagang tinutok na natin. So, parinig muna natin yung sa iPhone 15 Pro. Ito yung tunog ng iPhone 15 Pro. And then, ngayon naman, ito yung tunog ng sa Nearstream na podcast microphone. Alright. So, there you go, no? That's our electric fan test. So, yan yung mga iba't ibang test na try natin sa microphone na to together with comparing it, let's just say, sa microphone ng mga cellphone lang natin. Alright, so itong video na nire-record natin muna ngayon is ang gamit natin is yung native na mic ng iPhone natin. And now, i-connect natin itong mic na to via this USB-C na cable. So, i-connect natin yan sa phone natin. There we go. Naka-connect na. And supposedly, naka-on na rin yung mic natin. There we go. And ang ginagamit na nating mic ngayon sa part na to ng video na to sa pag-record sa cellphone natin is itong mic na to. So, yeah, that just tells you na yes, itong mic na to pwede rin sa mga mobile devices natin. Alright, so there you have it. Balik tayo dito sa mic na to and sa computer natin. And I think that cellphone recording na gamit natin yung mic ng iPhone mismo muna natin and then in-add natin ito. Sobrang laki ng diferensya ng sound nung mic lang ng cellphone versus this mic. And I think dun talaga na-emphasize yung kagandahan ng mic na to, especially with pagdating sa voice ninyo. I think one thing na hindi ko na-realize, no, when I listened to that mic, no, because my room right now, hindi masyadong maganda yung treatment niya pagdating sa echo. So, rinig na rinig yung echo, yung reverb actually nitong room na to, doon sa mic ng iPhone, when I listen to that again. And then, nung sinaksak to, parang wala, 'di ba? Parang ang ganda bigla ng sound treatment nung, room ko. Pero no, it's just yung mic lang nito. And I think, we're gonna go now, no? So, dun sa what do I think of this mic? I think this mic is really good, and I think that is just one of the very good example na maganda yung performance ng mic nito, especially when it comes to background noise, suppression, yung AI na denoise, and also even that, no, yung echo, talagang parang ang ganda ng sound treatment ng room ko. Meron lang din akong syempre may mga comments. So for example, just make sure you're always using the most updated na firmware nito, kasi kung hindi, baka hindi ganun ka-optimal yung performance niya. And also, I think there were times na nagre-record ako and I thought that I was hearing it okay yung sound, even nung naka-noise, naka-mic monitoring ako. Pero nung pinakinggan ko yung recording ko na ginamit ko sa computer ko, para siyang may sound na robotic, yung parang grr, 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 may gumaganon ganon. So, just make sure na pag gagamitin nyo to, pakinggan nyo muna ulit yung ni-record ninyo kung okay ba, para at least hindi kayo manghihinayang na nasayang yung clips ninyo. Pero overall, I do believe this is a really good mic, especially kung ang magiging noise use case ninyo is for podcasting, just like how they're trying to market this mic. I think that really fits or this particular mic. All right, so now kung interested kayo sa mic na to, I'm gonna leave some links below kung saan nyo siya pwedeng bilhin. And no, I'm not affiliated with that. Wala akong makukuha dyan. I'm just gonna put that link down in the description para dun nga, no, kung may mga interesadong bumili nito. All right. So anyway, that's it. That's our review of this mic. I do hope that you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.